Hi, my name is Shelby Jones, and I have the affirmative stance on the topic sexual orientation is completely influenced by nature. Sexual orientation is a person's identity in relation to the gender or genders to which they are sexually attracted to, such as heterosexuals, homosexuals, bisexuals, and etc. Numerous studies have shown that sex is not just male or female, but is an continuum that emerges from a person's genetic makeup. New findings are consistent with multiple earlier studies of twins that indicate same sex attraction is an hereditary trait. In 1993, Dr. Dan Hammer linked homosexuality to a section of the X chromosome. While there are multiple gene candidates being linked to homosexuality, it is highly unlikely that a single gay gene exists. This idea came from a new study. The large-scale GWAS reveals insights into the genetic architecture of same-sex behavior, identify 5 new genetic loci correlating with same-sex activity, 2 in men and women, 2 only in men, 1 only in women. It is also possible that hormonal shifts during pregnancy can affect how a fetus brain is configured. If a fetus is born with androgen insensitivity syndrome or congenital adrenal hyperplasia, meaning the male fetus didn't get enough testosterone or the female fetus had high levels of testosterone, which makes them lean towards homosexuality. While there is no single gay gene, there is a ton of evidence of a biological basis of sexual orientation that is programmed into the brain before both birth based on a mix of genetics and prenatal conditions, none of which someone has control over. Now, some may say that sexual orientation is not influenced by nature, but is influenced by the environment. When I say environment, I mean personal experiences, their upbringing, and the culture around them. The environment around someone can have some impact on how we as people think and feel. For example, if women are raped by a man, this makes her feel she can no longer be able to trust the male sex. Also, the upbringing of an individual impacts sexuality because so many things can play a part, such as religion, their peers, and the way their parents were raised. All 3 of these points can contribute in the changing of one's sexual orientation by how they affect our thought process and emotions. Though these points may be true, research has shown that there's a stronger link to genetics playing a part in one's sexual orientation. One's environment only reinforces what nature has already determined. In conclusion, sexual orientation can and is influenced by nature. There is evidence that shows the biological proof that someone can be born homosexual, heterosexual, and bisexual, all depending on what hormonal changes the woman goes through during pregnancy and their genetic makeup. Thank you.